wife and unborn child also. Jungkook didn't know that this whole group was led by his dad's secretary, who was hungry of power. When Jungkook comes back, he told Jungkook that his wife cheated on him and showed him fake proofs in which a girl like Ryan is kissing a girl. Jungkook's blood boiled on this scene and went towards his basement to meet Ryan. Ryan was in very bad condition. The food was so much bad that she wasn't able to swallow it. She was so much scared because of her child. Then suddenly Jungkook came. Jungkook started hitting Ryan in anger. Ryan, don't hurt our baby, please. Jungkook, ha ha ha, our baby, damn fool. What? You cheated on me and killed my father. Jungkook, did your BF told you to kill my father? Did he discover your secret so you kill him with your girlfriend? Ryan, no, what nonsense are you saying? I love you so much, why would I? Secretary, sir, kill her. He deserves to die. And he gave Jungkook gunfire. Jungkook, please don't kill him. Before she said more, Jungkook shoot at her head and the blood flows everywhere. Then Jungkook lost his consciousness. Secretary, what are you all looking at? Clean this mess and move Jungkook was seeing happy memories with Ryan in his dream. Then he saw that Ryan was trying to lift something, but due to her fragile body, she wasn't able to do that. Ryan, Jungkook, do you think a girl like me kill a well-known mafia boss? Jungkook's dream starts to haunt him and he woke up with sweat on his forehead. Every day he starts to have nightmares. He started to neglect his business. All this time, Secretary turned many people with him and decided to kill Jungkook. One day when Jungkook woke up from his nightmare, he saw his secretary standing there with a gun and a smile on his face. Jungkook, what is the meaning of all of this? There were guards standing around Jungkook and secretary was pointing his gun towards him. Secretary, oh my, I thought I can kill you while you were asleep, but you woke up. Jungkook, why everyone betraying me? He shouted. Secretary, my baby too, no one ever betrayed you. Jungkook, what? What do you mean by that? Secretary, you are going to die, so I'm gonna tell you. Secretary, the person who killed your father was me. Jungkook, what? And my wife was innocent? No, you are lying. She also cheated on me. Secretary, ha ha ha, no my child. I faked her affair. Ha ha ha. You poor fool. So, Jungkook was full shock and tears were streaming like a river. Jungkook, but why did you destroy my life? Secretary, for power, my dear. Now I will become the new mafia leader. Ha ha ha. Suddenly, someone shoot the secretary's head and he died. You are the fool. What do you think that I will allow you to rule this whole empire? Jungkook, who are you? Oh brother, did you forget me? Jungkook, brother? I don't know you. I'm your brother. How can you forget me? Jungkook, I don't have a brother. Oops, we never met. Then how will you gonna know about me? Haha. Let me introduce myself. I'm Hyun, your father's brother's son, whom he killed. Jungkook, so what I have done to you? And why are you here? And why did you kill him? Hyun, oh, so many questions. Haha. I will answer all of them one by one. Hyun, first your father killed my father because he wanted to be the mafia king. Jungkook, no, you are wrong. Hyun, no, my father was the chosen one. What's wrong if he raped some girls? Hyun, what if he murdered someone in anger? Mafia can do anything. Why did your father kill him? Jungkook, because we also have rules. And by raping poor girls doesn't mean that you are a mafia, you fool. Seong, like father, like son. He also said the same thing and killed my father. So I take my revenge. Jungkook, but my dad is already dead. You can't do that now. Seong, are you really that dumb or are you acting to be a dumb? I killed him with my mastermind. Stupid. First I persuaded his secretary to betray and become the mafia boss. Seong, it was so hard to break his loyalty, but that fool agreed after 3 years of struggle. Ha ha ha, but how can that fool think to be a mafia king? Jungkook, so you are the one that killed my wife and my father? Seong, no, your dad, your wife and your child also. Jungkook, I will kill you, he shouted. Seong, ha ha ha, look at your position stupid. Seong ordered his men to shoot Jungkook. Jungkook, please don't kill me, please let me live. I'm so scared. Seong, look at yourself. Ha ha, ask him for mercy, but I will not show any mercy. The guy shoot him. Suddenly, Jungkook stopped and said darkly, giving chills to everyone standing couldn't find the mastermind behind all of this. Jungkook. So we decided to put on a little show. Jungkook laughs loudly. Seong, but how did you know about my plan? As they are talking, the door opens and two people walk in. Seong's eyes widen in shock. The newcomers are none other than Jungkook's wife, Ryan, and none other than his father, Jungkook's father. Seong, but how? I saw your father die with my own eyes. How did he survive? Jungkook, calling yourself a mafia king doesn't make you a one. You fool, you stupid. Jungkook, what kind of mafia king lets just anyone trap him and kill his family? As long as I'm here, no one can even touch my family. Seong, how did you do it? I can't understand where my plan went wrong or how I didn't find out. Jungkook, it's all a game of brains and you clearly don't have any, you fool. Seong, extremely confused, starts biting his nails. Jungkook, don't worry, I will tell you the whole story. When my men followed the secretary, we discovered a bit of the plan. That you were planning to kill my father with your mischievous games. Jungkook, I made him wear a bulletproof vest and a bag filled with natural looking blood, so you wouldn't suspect a thing. But the twist came when the secretary accused my wife. Jungkook, I got really angry, but I controlled myself because it was all part of the game. I pretended to believe that Ryan had killed my father. Jungkook, Ryan had no idea what was going on, so she was very scared. But when everyone got busy, I went down and explained everything to her, and I also told her how happy I was that we were going to be parents. Jungkook, then the issue was that we couldn't get you, so we faked Ryan's death, hoping to draw you out. But still you couldn't show up. Then my brilliant wife suggested we stage a scene where I am in great pain so that you can come to finish me off. But even then, it felt like our plan was failing because only the person that came was second. Just before I could do nothing, you arrived and you did everything back. Then how did you turn my plans against me? Please never always with the secretary to find the mastermind and they were already taken care of. Seong gets angry and starts shouting, but suddenly Jungkook's father shoots him in the head. Jungkook, looking at his father. Dad, Jungkook's father in a casual tone. He was blabbering for so long, I thought it was time to end it. Everyone starts laughing. Jungkook, his father, and Ryan then leave to celebrate their upcoming parenthood with a trip. After some years, Jungkook, smiling as he lifts his child into the air. You are getting so big, just like your dad. Giggling higher, daddy, higher. Ryan, watching from the door, is smiling. Careful, you two. Don't fly too close to the sun.